everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the sine of an angle x is 0.8215. Okay, so sine of angle x is equal to 0.8215. Give two possible values of x. Well, if you have your calculator with you, the calculator will always give you the acute angle. Sine inverse of 0.8215. So there are two answers to this. The first one is of course what the calculator usually will give you, the acute angle, which will be 55.235. About 5 significant figures. But this is something very important given. Now, this is of particular interest, okay? So this is of special note. Do take note that actually sine of x and sine of 180 minus x, where this is the acute angle and this is the obtuse angle, the sine ratio is the same, but the calculator will always give you the acute angle. So once we know that, right, we will then be able to get the other value, which is simply 180 minus away this 55.235. And that's how I get two answers, okay? So one answer, since this is in angle, one decimal place, 55.2 degrees. And the second answer would be, let me just do some quick adjustments, sorry, so that I can create more space. I'm going to hide this away. Okay, so this will be equals to 124.765, which is to 5 significant figures. Final answer 124.8 degrees, 1 decimal place. So I will have 55.2 degrees, 124.8 degrees. Okay, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.